Jordan brand extends its performance lifestyle crossover with the upcoming Jordan Stadium 90 Low Football Cleat white and black, releasing fall 2025 for $135. Designed for speed and stability, this cleat blends classic Jordan aesthetics with football-ready tech. It features white leather overlays, mesh midfoot panels, and a black tongue, highlighted by speckled accents that nod to the brand's heritage. Black swooshes, laces, and outsole studs contrast the bright upper, while angular overlays add both structure and style. Built for skill players, the cleat boasts a molded traction plate for sharp cuts and acceleration. Inspired by the Jordan Stadium 90 Low sneaker, this version is fully retooled for high-performance play. Expect pairs to drop on Nike.com and at select retailers this fall.